Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a photo with Google Gemini. So did you know that you can now get realistic AI photos with Google Gemini? And let me show you step by step in this new update. So as you know, there is a new features on Google Gemini called a nano banana or image tools. You can see in here, once you open Gemini, you'll see this option, create image, with a banana icon on it, or you can also click on this tools button and there will be this option, create image. So the first step that you can do to create image using Google Gemini is open Google Gemini applications or site, and then log in with your Google account and make sure you are using the latest versions with image generation enabled. And the second one, you can just type what you want. For example, in here I'm going to click on this create image button first, and then you can just describe the image that you want to have. For example, I'm going to go with a futuristic city at sunset with cinematic view or style, ultra detailed. Okay, you can go with this. You can also be more specific, like you can add the style, colors, or lighting, or the mood that you want. You can also add aspect ratio for better composition. So after you add your prompt, you can just click on the send button and just wait until Gemini generating the image. Okay, so now this is the image based on my prompt. As you guys can see, this is a futuristic city at sunset, cinematic and ultra detailed. So if you click on this three button at the bottom, you can see there is this option that you can export the image to Google Docs or make a draft in your Gmails. And you can also share the image in here by creating a public link. You can click on the share button and it will create the public link. Just wait again, and you can just share the link with your friends. In here you can click on this button and share it, or you can also choose a certain social platform to share. And if you want to download it, you can just tap on the image in here and click on the arrow down. And that's it. Now you can get AI photos with Google Gemini in seconds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.